rider.
Hi, I'm Angel Whitehorse. Welcome back to my channel. I'm down here at Daytona Harley Super Swap Sunday every second Sunday of the month. Come down, bring your junk, make some money, or find some more junk. I picked up this fork dampener for my chopper. It's gonna be in replacing the chains. I thought about keeping the chains, but this will relieve the flop, especially because I'm putting on a girder. Come down and check out the meet at the Volusia County Fairgrounds during Bike Week 2025. It is an Easy Rider sponsored event. Come down to that and bring your best stuff. Come and join me to see what more I can find today.
Matter of fact, you might be the guy that might want that. Yeah, that's why I'll check in there again.
Like her, I'm gonna start buying tractors.
Hey, my dad was making them. I helped him in Virginia. He used to ride. And the rims were different. Got this with me 4 years old on the Amazon. Can't find a fucking picture. I got one picture of his.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Kid, I'm in the sun. I can't be doing better.
You picked the right spot.
Oh man, when I pulled in, I saw it. I was like, oh hell yeah, I'll be lying in there.
So the dude down there, I said, just set up in the shade. What's the matter with you, man?
He'll get most of it for the length of the day, but I want it for the morning. Fuck the rest of the day. I could take layers off and be warm.
Yeah.
Somebody smells like they got good green on them.
Somewhere, someone does. Well, I'd like to find them. Sorry. Oh, a little puppy.
From the pair.
Can I get $5?
Huh?
Can I get $5?
$5. Why?
Lever cover. It looks like there's some tires. But still, might be a sports one. What's that?
Truck shovel here, rear foot peg mounts, panhead bag.
It's a little tight, but that's not these guys.
I'd like to get 50 for the pair.
It's not terrible. Let's see what we got for money when we get done here today. That's neat.
My little toolbox.
You know what this is.
The little toolbox got wet.
It's cringy. It's got a bird on it.
Well, you know, I'll be 75 pretty soon, but I really ain't big on, you know, making some big projects.
Yeah, you gotta keep yourself alive.
Well, yeah, you never know. You know, I brought something to do with it in case I see something. That sounds very good. I see. You're good again.
I can see it.
Yeah, well, 20 bucks.
God bless you all, but most of all, send your money. Do you really want it? Do you really need it? You gotta keep on moving. You got no time for yourself. You got more road than me.
Yeah, you know, I did see that. It didn't have a lens, that aluminum. That aluminum panel. Yeah. That was a $1,500 panel? Yeah, that really is? On that old green one, the military bike? That bike was the original. Yeah. I'm surprised you didn't have me like take a picture and you pose next to it. Put a picture.
Yeah, I let my insurance lapse.
Well, others don't fly. Which I don't agree with them. I think they'll see our meat.
How do you like the GoPro?
I love it.
Yeah. What type did you get?
It's the 12,
12?
but I had to get the.
It's like cars, a set of cars. You get one, so you can send people.
You gonna buy something or what?
I got the other case. That's the same thing.
Here, thanks. Look at that.
Always ends up in my truck.
Yeah. Yeah, that's what I need.
Huh?
I was gonna sell my trailer. The guy asked, "You got any animals?" There's never been an animal in there except two-legged guy.
She sleeps on the couch.
She weighs about 75.
Well, I use my blue on everything. My red bottle is almost full.
Pass on that.
Yeah, I use blue on everything. I don't use red.
Keep buying hammers and wire. I figure it's because of work back. Good work.
Oh, they're nice looking.
Baltimore beat Pittsburgh.
What?
Well, there she is.
Is this your stuff, babe? Hey.
What, me?
This is the man right here.
Give me $3.
$3? Perfect.
See?
Hold on.
Decided to work on the oil system, figure it out.
I just got to ask, are you Amy? I mean, Angel?
Yes, I am.
My name's Ed. I'm subscribed to your channel there.
Hi, nice to meet you.
I just want to say hey.
Hi, awesome. I was looking for them forever. Those yellow ones.
Somebody wake me up. Somebody put me to sleep one of these days. No, it'll come.
Not all of it. There's nowhere to put it.
Even in your new trailer.
Yeah, cycle creeps. Remember we got those in. I used to tell everybody, but don't put that in your house, man, for a while, because they smell like shit. It was so hard.
Pump it up.
It ain't a dog.
Come on. Oh.
What's the meat that you're advertising?
Good to see you guys.
Yeah, I got a shovel head roller sitting there.
How are you? So what is it? Framework telephone?
Same phone number.
Same number.
We were.
Motorcycles.
Was it a raffle? Yeah, they raffled it off and it's flying. Yeah, we don't want that. We didn't work here. How you doing? Not too bad. Long time no see. It's been a minute. Same old. Friday said you now digging a well no more. Yeah, get ready to start a pressure washer. That was it. That's what you were saying you were doing. Congratulations. Thank you. I haven't started yet, but hopefully by the middle of this year. It's pretty optimistic, but hopefully by the middle of this year. Sorry, you can't film any of that. It might be stolen.
No one will know where it's at. It's all right.
Oh God.
That's the module you wanted. This is the ECM. If you need it, order them also. Yeah. We're done.
No one's ever gonna buy these fuckers, but I want them. You know. Square toe either. Got my emotional support spring. I see that. What do you want on the trannies? Which one? How high? 7. 7? Yeah. There was that guy the other day. He says, well, you can pick them up for 150, 200. I said, I'll take them all.
Those prints on the camera.
That's all right.
Yeah. It's Evo, right?
Yup.
Ooh.
All there. There's a bent pinion, little E, but that's whatever.
I don't know if I want to get that extreme at the moment, but thinking about it. My FXR is getting a little clapped out.
I got 2 of those. I got one on my FXR. If that doesn't sell, then I'll have no problem building it.
Yeah, yeah.
You been staying busy?
Been busy, but things have been fucking slow. They're just starting to pick up.
Yeah, I'm not working. I mean, I'm grateful enough I get like a bike a week, nothing serious. But if I'm not doing that, I'm trying to hustle. You know how it goes. Stay fucking busy.
I'll start sending bikes to you all the time. You're down where?
I'm Rockledge, right off 95.
Okay.
I appreciate it. If you're sending them to me, make sure they say it because it goes both ways.
Yeah.
I don't
work on other people's bikes.
Yeah, I
send all my business to whoever does it.
Yeah, especially if they're in my area, I'd appreciate it.
Like I say that, oh, by Orlando or down by Kissimmee, and I say,
I'd appreciate it. You got my number.
I'll get you set up. People are constantly working on my bike. I can't work on my own.
Yeah, that's the only problem now. I have so much ownership, but it's like I gotta make money.
Well, what do you got in there?
Nothing so far.
Usually,
we already
we just dumped.
dumped it. Yeah, this is our first.
I remember when he used to do it by himself.
Back and forth, back and forth, back and forth.
He was one of my favorite because the moment he was making piles, I was like, we're gonna get along.
Yeah.
I'm gonna make a pile.
Yeah.
It ain't bad. It ain't bad. I don't think I can get that old man to pay me that much. He thinks it's worth $150. Them days are way gone.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, that was like 1985. Right. Days are gone.
Get that off, move. Oh. How much?
I like the haircut.
Sold that motherfucker.
Can't not take that. So
That's the one he went to 250 for.
maybe. I don't know what he's saying.
Yeah, it's got the same. Yeah, the deal of the day. Yeah, we can celebrate.
Oh yeah. We've already got quite a few of those today.
That's good. That's what you're always looking for, you know?
Oh yeah.
We all are.
The one.
Behind me.
Yep. Yep.
All right, that's a nice front end, man.
That way?
Scored on that front end.
Yeah.
How much?
100. Yeah. All the way. Bye.
Good luck in the contest.
Thank you.
It was on a soft tail. Both of those were on a soft tail. I don't know. I can't say yes or no.
Floorboards, maybe not.
Yeah, you could probably extend, put a little spacer behind your floorboard like all the other pipe companies sell. Like if you buy a Vance & Hines pipe, most of them come with a 1-inch block that you would put so that it doesn't touch your pipes. I mean, it probably comes with the same thing. But yeah, $200 if you got a gamble on it. That's a good deal.
Wander around a little bit. I might wander back.
Hey, man, it's all good.
Yeah.
Have a good
Thank
day.
you.
All right?
Thank you.
Enjoy it.
Exactly.
I got some rental property. I don't even rent it out because I don't want to deal with people. Exactly. It ain't fucking worth it. Oh yeah.
People just don't have any values or integrity. I'm not talking about us standing here. I'm talking about. Oh yeah.
Yeah, these fucking gaskets, they'll leak right through the gasket, them gaskets right there.
I think they're STD heads,
Oh, is that right?
but the flange has been turned down.
Well, I don't know, but anyway, them fucking gaskets, I've seen them do all come right through the fucking gasket.
76 on copper oil if she's on her side stand too long. You go through the carburetor bypass, it's just like they can screw you.
Oh yeah.
So it's
Valve is not much.
Why don't you take the cricket? Get off the curb. I loaded it up on the.
Baby.
Yeah.
Hey, what'd you pay for that thing?
Oh, the bandana's in the goddamn van. Shit. We're in the video swearing. I gotta run back to the van and get the bandana. Huh?
What'd you pay for that?
$2.
That's what I figured.
Ooh, that's not bad.
Yeah.
That's a great.
It's a nice customizers.
Yeah, you like them?
Hey, it's getting good gas mileage right now. Got a frame to go. Yeah, that's it. Competition. That's awesome.
Oh, I couldn't zoom in time. Too fast, too fast.
Got a frame to go with it. Got a frame to go with it.
There's the frame.
There's a sponsor frame down there.
I set this in front of everybody's spot. It draws everybody in. You saw a bunch of cars.
What's up, Angel?
Hey, how are you?
Good, how are you? You coming this year?
Oh yeah, of course I am. I'm gonna
Win another gun?
I couldn't pick it up. Okay.
To raffle off.
Oh wow.
This is the start of it. That's the start of it.
Very nice.
It's a fresh shovel head. It's got a fresh rotary top because that train's right there.
Mm-hmm.
It's a new Paco frame.
Oh, I like those.
Yep. And it's got a twisted that's not the picture of the twisted sissy bar, but it's got a twisted sissy bar.
Okay.
So
nice.
So
I like that.
The stipulation with that is you have to be present to win. So no internet person's gonna win it.
Okay.
There's gonna be like 300 or 400 tickets. I'm gonna bring it this year and display it, and then ask everybody what color they want to see it. I'm a paint body guy, so that's no big deal. Then what pipes you want to see on it, what this, XXX, and then get everybody involved and get them hyped up.
That's
then
awesome
year 9,
idea.
I'm going to start selling tickets. I'm going to sell tickets the whole year.
Okay.
Show progress on my Instagram.
Yeah.
And then year 10, someone's going to ride away with it.
That's awesome. That's going to be a great idea. I love that. Getting people involved in the build too. That's super cool. Yeah. Can't wait to see it.
Always up for donation for parts.
So yeah, my son might be coming down because my son and I show. He lives in Virginia now. Okay. And he's got a pro fuel bike. They run off nitro.
Yeah, yeah.
So he might bring it down to fire it up.
Wow.
Were you there the year we fired up the top fuel bike?
No, I wasn't.
I'll show you. Yeah, that was. So here's a top fuel bike.
Oh, jeez.
So he fired it up 3 or 4 times that day. So my son may bring his bike, which is not as potent as this, but it's
pretty crazy.
Yeah.
Well, I can't wait. Let me get a little video of this.
It's cold machine, hot in the sun. Florida I moved to.
Yeah?
$100.
Oh, you gotta. I was just repeating what you said.
Well, you don't have to.
Hey, don't play me like that.
A little harder here. But there's a lot of $5 parts up here too. How you doing?
Good, how are you?
Nice pants.
Thank you, I made them.
I presume so.
Excuse me, sorry.
I had some lady last week in Webster. She spent $130 to file her file. Spent an hour and a half. Seems like she's years old.
Yeah, we gotta do this.
underneath by accident.
Came out of a running bike.
Oh well.
Went a different direction with that bike.
How you doing today?
Good, how are you?
I do custom motorcycle seat upholstery.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, I recover your seats. You know, starting at $140.
Sweet. I just built my first seat, actually.
You did?
Yeah, yeah.
Did you do leather?
I did not. I used
The vinyl?
crocodile. No, I got it from
Keystone?
It was not real stuff. It was from Joanne Fabrics. So
Yep.
it's like a mermaid type sheen to it.
Yeah, it must look really cool.
Yeah, but the sheen is wearing off now. So
Well, there's a company, if you go online, it's out of California, and they make all those really cool greens.
Yeah.
This company's out of, this one here, this here is the same thing, it's just the vinyl and stuff like that, but they don't have those really fun, like, I'm like, how come they don't have a green? Like alligator.
Yeah, like
you know?
to be
But there is a
creative.
company, I went online, you can actually get it through Amazon too.
Yeah.
And you can get the green, and you can get the pink, and there's some really cool
Yeah,
colors.
I'll have to look
Yeah,
that up.
it's not hard to do, you know. It's just like, when it comes to this stuff here, you got to put it on the
Oh,
sewing
yeah.
staying.
Yep,
But
yep.
stuff like this, you basically just stretch it around and staple it. Yep.
Yeah,
Yeah, stuff like that. And then I make the tank and fender protector.
Oh, very nice.
You know, this way here.
Good to see you.
That's me. I see you got some bags, huh?
I do.
You got to get some
yeah.
armor all.
Yeah.
Clean them up.
Clean them up.
Yep.
He repulses them. Yeah. I know those guys.
I was wondering who was going to scoop
Straight.
About as straight as you are.
Straighter than you.